Y'all know something? I was sitting back watching something on YouTube and it just came in. It just came in what I'm thinking. Let me tell you what I'm thinking. Can y'all hear me? I hope you can hear me. And this one here is strictly about black people. And I'm one of them, okay? I'm a black man myself. All right? But I'm going to tell you about today's black people. First of all, let's go here. Yesterday's black people wasn't like today's black people. I mean, yesterday's black people, let me tell you something. Yesterday's black people would have seen you out there hungry and brought you something to eat out the house, brought you in the house and let you sit at the table and eat with the rest of the family. Today's black people will see you getting your butt kicked, beat down, bad, straight up, and would only pull out their phone and record it because everybody want the best viral video. We black people don't care about we black people. Families don't act like family. Friends don't act like friends. Like everybody, it's like it's over. Let me tell you where I'm getting to with this. See, a lot of y'all don't even watch my videos. Well, you might watch them for a minute, but you don't listen to everything I'm saying. You know how I know? Because y'all don't interact back with me. But it don't matter because I'm going to continue to speak my truth. What I think, what I see, and what I know. My experience, not yours. Okay? Y'all notice when George Floyd got killed, you know what I mean? Everybody did their little thing and then it shut down. You know, everything got quiet, you know. There was no more to it. But y'all remember when Bill Cosby, so-called supposed to did something some 40, 50 years ago? Y'all, us, black people, was saying, lock his ass up, and y'all ain't let it go. I ain't never watching Bill Cosby. You remember R. Kelly? He did some illegal things with some minors or whatever the case may be, a few things. First of all, let's go hear about that. Did y'all notice that the week before R. Kelly went to trial, they put a documentary on TV, Surviving R. Kelly. And what I'm saying is, all us black people said, lock R. Kelly up, I ain't listen to his music no more, I don't fuck with R. Kelly, whoa. But as soon as white people do something, y'all don't have nothing, no real issue, it's okay, it's all right. Soon as, I'm gonna tell you something. I seen a female homegirl bring one of her white friends around, and boy, it was crazy how she act with all of her own people because she had a white person with her. You know, y'all become king of the jungle when you got some white person in your life. Now, I do not have, a hate for all white people or for no white people, really. I just hate what's been going on in life, and we all know what we're talking about. But what I'm saying is this. The white cop shot the lady, Sonya Massey. I don't hear y'all saying nothing. I mean, police killed Mike Brown. I don't hear y'all saying nothing. Police killed Tamir Rice. I ain't hear y'all saying nothing. It goes on for 2 or 3 days and it's over. Soon as white people do something else, but we don't do nothing for each other, but down each other. As soon as you get a new house, you know what they say? Some real hating shit. I see you got your little house. As soon as you get a new car, they say, I see you got your little car. As soon as you get your new lady or new man, I see you got your new lady, or little man. Yeah. Everything we do, we be the first ones to make it smaller. But really, when they say, I see you got your little house or your little car, they doing a little hate. And I ain't lying. I don't lie. I tell the truth in my videos because you know why? Because I've been through everything, man. A lot of bad stuff, and y'all already know. But this ain't about what I've been through. I used to be every man you can name. Yep, the player, the one who got played, the dirty nigga, yep, the clean nigga, the handsome nigga, the ugly nigga. I done been them all. I done been your girl boyfriend. Trust me, I did a lot. But one thing I do is tell the truth, because what I've been through, I'm 50 years old now, man. I can't stand to go through nothing else. This is real. All I be wanting is my family to come together and help each other out. It should never be one man down when you have a family of more than 5 people. When you have friends, more than 5 friends. But I was out there, man, and I ain't getting no love. Still today, I work. And when I wasn't working and I was homeless, I thought people wasn't messing with me because they thought I was just being lazy, wasn't trying. And they was just going to let me figure it out. And then, it was still rough, so I did figure it out anyway, right? And I ended up getting a job, and I still try to deal with people. I texted my family group text. I mean, they be talking all day in the group text. But as soon as I say something, everything just get like this. Everybody disappeared. So I figured people don't mess with me. All the girls I used to have, they ain't mine no more. All the friends I used to have, they ain't around no more. All the family I still have, they don't bother with me. They don't like me. I don't know what's up with that, but that's not even the thing right now. It hurts me so bad to see how we do as black people with each other. Have y'all noticed all these stores we go to that foreigners own them stores? Ain't their store that you go spend your money at is black owned. We spend every dollar we get with somebody else. And we walk past each other like, and the females don't want a nigga if he ain't got a body. And the men, we just trying to fuck every female we see. But to be real with y'all, man, let me be real with y'all on something. All that chasing pussy, trying to find you a new girl every day, or man, just get you one lady if you could. Me, myself, I don't believe in the full thing, relationship, being married and all that, man, because this stuff fake. You know what I mean? I never dated out my race, but I noticed something when I go to work. I will say this. All my life I've been around black people, and I know how we do things. And I talk to a black female, motherfucker, blah, 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 blah. Even with the way I was raised from my mom's. This black females we so much. But when I'm at work and meet these other people, white, Indian, Chinese, Hispanic, African, everybody but black American women talk so calmly. Well, at least the ones that I see there, I mean, I understand every group of people have good and bad in them. But I mean, have you ever just listened to how other people talk to you? Let me say what I'm saying. This white girl at work, she always comes to me and she says stuff like, "Hey, Anthony, how you doing? And oh, have a good day." And it's just so pleasant, right? Now, that shit feels so good, right? But what it makes me think about is, damn, when I talk to the black women, it's like, motherfucker, what? You got a job? Can you pay my rent? Can you get my hair, my nails done? What is all this drama for? Why is everybody so frustrated with each other? Why do we hate each other? Why is we killing each other? I'm just talking about black people. Like, have y'all noticed? Everybody come over here. They coming from across the water. They got jobs. They got things going on. Yeah, I understand that the government giving them things and ain't giving us, but let's be real. We all can get jobs and stand together and build together. But you know what? Everybody want to have the best name brand, the biggest house, the best clothes that cost the most with the big names on it. People be having 3 and 4 bedrooms and will tell their own family, I ain't got no space. Whatever happened to the days of us being together, helping each other, looking out for each other? You'll let somebody move in your house. No, you won't. No, you won't. You won't even let nobody move in your house. You got 3, 4 bedrooms and won't let nobody killing you move in your house. But you'll let a boyfriend or girlfriend live in your house. You see what I'm saying? And you'll let them struggle. How I know this? Because I lived on the street. And I got family who had houses and stuff at that time. I just lost my uncle. He was living on the street. And you know what he said to me before he left? Man, you one of the only family members that be helping me out, man. And next thing you know, they found my uncle, where they found him. And it hurt me real bad. I tried to talk to my family out there the day that we all came together. And, some people was hearing me, some people wasn't. But they shut it down because we had to handle the business, right? The family business, what was going to be going on. But we never got back to it, and I don't think we ever will. I tried to speak because it was my moment to speak. I was hurting, man. My uncle, man, was a special kind of guy to me. No matter what he did in his life, let me tell you something. Me and Uncle was in the same place during time. He made it his business. As soon as he went home, he made it his business to send me a clothes package, food package. Man, I love my Uncle Joe. I love all my family. I love all my people. One time I posted a video up, and one of my family members said, "I'll sue you." Well, first of all, shit, sue me. You ain't gonna get nothing because I ain't got nothing, especially at that time, right? But why would you sue me when the video was talking about the family, who we are and how we should be? Just my opinion. And I had a picture of everybody, but I guess they're ashamed of being related to me in some kind of way. So I took it down because I sent it to a certain amount of people, in the group text. And once I got that amount of views, I said, I'll take it down because it was one of my peoples that I respect the most. But then I be thinking every day about something. It could have been 10 years ago. I think about it. I remember I was trying to, I was homeless for real. I was trying to get a job. And I asked my peoples, hey, can you help me do a resume? Now keep in mind, I was homeless. You know what they said to me? You gonna pay me? Can you imagine how that feels? Like, nobody want to hear what I'm talking about. I'm the family member that the things I speak on, they don't want me to speak on. I'm the black sheep. Yep. Do you understand how it feels to have everybody turn their back on you? Everybody. In this world today, August something 2024, and I be feeling bad, man, that I don't have no real love, you know what I mean? And then I look at the flip side, shit. That's a better time for me to take care of the things I need to. Because all I got is me. Okay, cool. But what good is it? This is what the Bible says, something like that. What good is it for a man to gain the world and lose his soul? I think I got that right, y'all. I'm not really religious, but I mean, I'm just talking. What I'm trying to say in this video is, I see all these other peoples come to this country and they stick together. I understand the migrants here and whatever, but y'all know how they stick together and they take care of each other and help each other out. I don't know no group of black people that do this because we don't trust each other. We always trying to sexually interact with our friends, partners, always trying to flirt low-key, trying to be sneaky and slick. We always try to bad talk when we get around other people. Like, we do so many weird, foul things. And we need to get it together as black people. I did all the little wild things when I was hanging out in the streets. Yes, I did. But today, I don't do that stuff no more. I want to better myself. And my question to all of y'all, thugs, grown men, bosses, big niggas, rich niggas, bad bitches, women, ladies, hoes, tramps. Listen, y'all, it's up to us to go out here and get this community back right. If we want this violence to stop, we have to do something about it. Go look at all these comments and stuff you see on these videos when you see them. They say, the sad part is just going to keep on happening because everybody feeling like it's just going to keep on happening. Yes, it is. And it's going to get worse. That's another thing they say. You know why? Because we ain't doing nothing but sitting in the house getting older and getting scared of our own kids, our own nieces, nephews, cousins, sisters and daughters and sons and fathers. Everybody acting like they scared. And y'all women, black women, y'all raise these kids a certain way. Y'all get on the phone and you bad talk they father right in front of them kids. I don't never hear no man bad talking the mother to his kids. Even me, myself, I tell my kids, listen, don't care what me and your mother go through. You better not disrespect your mother. My kids can see this video. Everybody who I spoke on can see this video. And if y'all say I'm lying, prove it. See, ain't nobody gonna call me out because I got more. But the thing is, I'm not here to bring us down. I'm here to lift us up. And I need the rest of y'all with me. We need to lift each other up, y'all. Now, I ain't got a whole lot more I can keep talking about because I know y'all ain't going to watch the whole video. You probably ain't got this far. But to any one of y'all who got this far, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. We need to do better. And we can talk about this on video because I want to post it on my YouTube. Y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos on your Facebook, Instagram, stories, whatever it is. My name, BUCKBROD 1 Testimony. That's Buck Brody 1 Testimony. Subscribe, God damn it.